Practice set 16. In the following formula, C represents the Celsius temperature and F represents the Fahrenheit temperature. If we look at this formula, the priority would be simplify inside the parentheses and then do the multiplication. Problem number 31 asks us to convert 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to take the given conversion equation, C equal to 5/9 times F, that's the temperature given in this problem, 212 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. Now, I have a fraction times this quantity in the parentheses. I'm going to put that quantity over 1 so that I can deal with this as a fraction multiplication. I'm still following order of operations. I need to simplify inside the parentheses first. So I'm going to have 5 times the simplified value of 212 minus 32, which is 180. In the denominator, when I multiply the 9 times 1, I get a 9. Simplifying further, I'm going to multiply the values in the numerator. 5 times 180 is 900 over the 9. And the final simplification, 900 divided by 9, is going to give us the equivalent Celsius temperature, which is the result of 900 divided by 9, or 100 degrees Celsius, the equivalent temperature. In problem number 34, it gives us the formula for the volume of a sphere, 4/3 pi r to the third power. Following our order of operations here, the power would have the priority, and then our multiplication left to right. Continuing with this problem, they're asking us to find the volume if the radius of a sphere is 6 inches. So replacing the r, which stands for the radius, with 6 will be raised to the third power. I'm going to use a calculator to show how to solve this problem. The priority, again, as I earlier talked about, is the power or the exponent. So on this problem, I'm going to take 6 to the third power, which is 6 times 6 times 6. I can use my power key here, the y to the x, put my exponential power, and hit the equals. That results in 216. So I have the fraction 4/3 times pi times the result of 6 to the third power, which is 216. Now, if I follow the order of operations, multiplying left to right, and I clear this, I'm going to take the fraction 4, fraction 3, times pi, which has a value approximately of 3.14, and then multiply it by 216. Hit my equals. The volume of a sphere with a radius of 6 inches is 904.32, and as far as units, we had 6 inches that would have been raised to the third power. We're going to call that cubic inches, or it could be listed as inches to the third power.